Home remedies to get rid of a cough. Hot drinks. Hot drinks won't ease a stuffy head, but they can soothe a cough much better than room temperature drinks. Sip on hot tea or water if you're seeking relief. Stay hydrated. Drinking lots of water not only soothes the scratch of a cough and keeps you hydrated, you're less likely to need to clear things out with a cough. Steam. Breathing in steam may help with coughing because it calms and moisturizes your airways. You can also add essential oils like peppermint to the water for extra comfort.